A report from Spin.ph says TNT is open about trading their disgruntled star Mikey Williams. What? Well, kakapanalo lang ng TNT ng kampyonato sa kakatapos lang na PBA Governors Cup, and here they are, making another noise. TNT was just rough against their opponents. Akala natin na tsamba lang ang depensa nila sa eliminations dahil hindi nila nakaharap ang mga elite opponents gaya ng SMB, Ginebra at Rain or Shine. But they prove us wrong nang harapin nila ang Rain or Shine. They just dismantled ROS 4 games to 1. Actually, 4-0 dapat yan kung hindi lang sa foul ni RR Pugoy. Sorry Roger sa paalala. At nung finals, mas pinakita pa nila gaano kabagsik ang kanilang depensa. We thought Justin Brownlee is unbeatable nang patumbahin nila ang mighty San Miguel Pyramid. Even the great JJ Helterbrand said na whichever team wins sa kanilang semis duel will absolutely win the championship.
Yun mo ay all the way championship. No? Hindi nga sila magtatapos sa finals. Yun nga yung ano. Magtatapos sila sa semis. Sino manalo dito sa bracket na to? So yung magta-champion. Siya magta-champion? So Ginebra na yan.
Sorry JJ, but you're wrong. Now, before the season started, TNT acquired Rain ng Batak from Blackwater. Dahil kay Stingray, mas na-preserve si Jason Castro na alam naman natin na nasa twilight na ng kanyang karera. And he might retire on his 17th season next year. Same as his jersey number. Cool. Ray is just the right fit both on offense and defense, kaya mas lumakas ang 3-point shooting at depensa nila. Because of this, Mikey Williams lost his leverage sa negosasyon nila over Manny Pangilinan's team. Remember, when team had a consistent back and forth talks sa agent ni Mikey either dito sa Pilipinas o sa Los Angeles kung saan nakatira si Mikey, nothing came to fruition. So he just watched TNT falter against their opponents lalo na sa playoffs. Yung huli nga sa Rain or Shine din yun. Dahil dyan, alam niya na kailangan siya ng TNT. But not for long. TNT proved that defense is still a key to beat anybody in the PBA and gave way para manalo sila muli ng championship. As a result, Coach Chot Reyes said that TNT is no longer pursuing Mikey Williams to go back with the team and they are willing to trade him. Pero, is that really easy to trade him? Remember, TNT terminated his contract after niyang mag-sign ng 3 taon. At nakapaloob sa kontrata na iyon na after 1 year, he can renegotiate para mas lumaki ang sahod niya. Which he did. Kaya naman dumating sila sa mabigat na sitwasyon noon. Pero hindi na rin ngayon. Si Mikey Williams ay may halos kaparehas na sitwasyon kagaya ng kay Ray Parks. TNT holds his right and he can only play for another team if he and TNT have an agreement that they can ask for help from another PBA squad by the use of trade. So now, TNT, they said they're ready to trade him. Ang tanong na lang, gusto pa bang bumalik ni Mikey sa PBA para makapaglaro, possibly for another team? Well, hindi pa natin alam. For sure dahil sa sinabi ng TNT, mas lumaki ang tenga ni Mikey and he has another option. Siyempre, PBA teams are also interested. Kung papayag si Mikey, saan siya pwede matrade? The teams na inaasahan ko na interesado are always from San Miguel Corporation. Pero saan dun sa 3? Umpisahan natin sa Ginebra. I don't think pwede si Mikey dahil lang playing style niya doesn't mesh with the team system, lalo pa at loaded sa mga backcourt at perimeter players ang Jeans. Pangalawa, SMB. Pwede, dahil madaming pwede i-trade gaya nila Vic Manuel at Jeron Teng na once upon a time napapaisip or nagko-complain dahil hindi naman na masyadong nabibigyan ng oras. Pero kung bibigyan mo ng minuto mga players na ito, siguradong bibigyan ka ng magandang production. How about Pure Foods? Hindi na bago sa guard swapping itong team na ito. Remember, they traded their superstar guard noon na si James Yap sa equally super talented na si Paul Lee from ROS. Ngayon, possible na si Paul Lee ay pwedeng matrade kapalit ni Mikey or pwedeng mag-ask pa ang TNT ng mas marami. Sabi nga nila, they will not trade Mikey just for the sake na i-trade lang siya. they will ask for a hefty deal, which means they want to get a super deal from their superstar guard. But the sneaky team na nakikita ko na pwedeng makuha si Mikey is Converge. Why? They are an upcoming super squad with their talented roster. The only thing that they need is to get Baltasar to their squad, which is hindi naman ganun kahirap dahil draft pick nila ito. They just need to get another scoring guard who can blend well with their two-way guard na si Alex Stockton. Pero, sino naman ang pwede nilang i-trade papuntang talk and text? Remember, TNT is not a team that want a development talent. They want to have a PBA-ready player to compete now, lalo at nasa prime na halos lahat ng players nila. They might ask for Shawnee Winston or even Alex Stockton. Pwede rin si Brian Santos, who showed potential against SMB noong quarterfinals nila. At kung mag-decline ng TNT, they can offer picks na tutugma sa timeline ng TNT. Wow, talking about being lucky dahil nag-champion sila. Akala ng lahat na ang problema ng TNT ay hindi nila malulusutan. Kaya palang malusutan at naghihintay pa ng mas madaming swerte sa dulo. Oh well! Yun lamang muna mga kahupis. See you sa ating next video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like at subscribe sa ating channel. Paalam muna. Bye!